Hey everyone, in this video I'll be testing various types of malware on the Windows operating system running on an AWS EC2 instance. Currently I'm using Windows Server 2022 Standard Edition. I'm currently extracting a zip file, and as you can see, Windows security is throwing a lot of alerts. I obtained this file from GitHub, and it contains several old malwares that Windows has already identified. Some of these files have been removed from my system without my permission, while others are still present. However, I'm unable to open any of these files as they are displaying errors. I believe this is because the new version of Windows is unable to open these outdated files. I attempted to disable Windows security, but unfortunately, I couldn't find an option to do so. Therefore, I'm going to create a new instance on Windows Server 2016. Let's test some of these old malwares that have caused fear in the computer world. As you can see, in Windows Server 2016, you can turn Windows Defender off like this. Now I'm extracted that zip files without warnings. Let's try to open. Anyway, I got reconnected, and let's test some of ransomwares. I'm opening some random ones, and I'm fast forwarding this video. Let's see what's going to happen. Oops, I got signed out. Let's try to reconnect it from AWS. Wait, as I expected, my OS is infected. Even though I paid that amount, I don't get my data back. So I'm going to delete this one and create another instance. As you can see, I'm back on another instance. Now I'm going to open some random email worms. Let's see what's going to happen.
How are you? I am back. My name is Mr. Hamsi. I am seeing you. HAAAAAAA. You must come to Turkey. I am cleaning your computer. 5 4 3 2 1 0 Gül. Gül.
What was that voice message? Now I can't open any other files because we got affected by that worm thing, which is basically spread through emails, so don't click on random emails. Now I have to delete this instance because it's now a waste. I can't open a damn thing. I'm currently using a fresh instance. Let's give it a shot and try opening a few random files that I haven't accessed before. Like a fire in a blaze, gotta burn it down. Can't be afraid to leave this out. We got this far, don't know how. Interestingly, some of them refuse to open, while others crash unexpectedly. To make sure there's no sneaky background process going on, I'm keeping an eye on the task manager. Wow, what a crazy situation. I need to reconnect from AWS. What on earth is happening? I can't seem to reconnect to my instance. I'm positive that my password is correct. I suspect that a virus might have changed the login password. I'm doing everything I can to log into my instance, but unfortunately it's just not working. Well, I guess I'll have to create another instance and carry on with my testing. Just like a spark that's breaking out. Can't make a stop, can't turn back now. We know that there's no room for doubt. No, we can't turn back now. I see danger in your eyes. They know we'll burn down the night. Coming just like the sunrise. You know that we gonna light it up tonight. We gonna light it up, baby. Tonight we guys, our screen is shaking. Do you think it's an earthquake or something? I'm doing my best to open the task manager, but it's not working. Let's try restarting this instance so we can continue with our procedure. Oh, that was a prank. Let's restart it again. Alright, let's dive into one of the legendary computer worms that can cause some serious havoc. Oops, it seems like it's not functioning properly. Let's give some other ones a shot. Oh, look, another prank. Just some puzzles. Let's close it from Task Manager. Oh, it's closed now. Let's give another one a try. We got logged out. Let's log in again and see what happens. I believe I accidentally opened a Trojan. You can find a paradise. I think it's the time to stop the games now. I really understand what it's saying, even though it's in Russian. I never done such a thing. Anyway, let's wind up this video. See you on the next one.